Invasion warning! Invasion warning! The Mexican army has invaded the United States. Our radar has also detected a nuclear missile from the Russian Federation. This area is effective by the 16 missiles, so the station will shut down. Thank you for your time.
Hello?
Can you hear me? Mexican and Russians are planning to eliminate the United States. If you hear this, we've moved to Brussels. Belgium.
I'm sorry to say we've fallen. The 16 missiles have doubled, and now there's 32 missiles. No time for an anthem. God bless America.